morning, everybody. Check out our awesome digs from last night. This was pretty cool. We got to stay with Dave and Donna, and they hooked us up with their trailer. Oh, it was beautiful. We had a great night. Check out the puppy dog. Yesterday's riding was absolutely epic. Thanks, you brought me a present. Yay. Hi, kitty, 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 kitty. Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. Anyway, we are ready for day 2 of stage 3. Gonna be another great one. Looks like we got some clear skies again, so gonna be awesome. There they are! What do you think?
It's a beautiful day to ride.
It is, isn't it?
Not hot. Oh gosh. Now you're in trouble.
Oh, this ain't trouble. This is great.
He's like, no, I just want to play with it. Is this your brother?
This is my brother from
Yeah.
another mother.
Yeah.
We are kindred spirits. We are smokers.
Brisket was cooked in that. Correction, ribs. Whoa.
It looks like I'm the little brother. Arnold and Danny DeVito.
Born to be bad. Yes, we are.
Look at this. Man, what a great workshop.
Oh, we loved having you guys.
You guys were the best.
You guys ever come through Oklahoma again?
We'll be by.
Loved all of your stories. Thank you, Dave. Appreciate it, sir.
No problem.
You have a beautiful place.
Thank you. The
Noisiest
barbecue
hunting season.
was exceptional.
All right, Dave, we have one final request. Can we give you the GoPro to follow us out? Just stand there and go as we leave. Recording. Boys, what time is it?
It's that time.
We are back on the tat again. How's that song go?
Back in the saddle again. Yeah.
Are we excited? Is this going to be a really nice, clean, dry, fun day like yesterday?
Absolutely. The radar says maybe.
The radar says heck no.
The dark clouds in front of us say heck no.
I don't know. I think we're going to get wet, kids.
That's all right. Won't be the first time.
Yeah, that'll be all right. We'll suffer through it for our viewers. So we are now heading north after leaving our friends in Ponca City.
They got a 6-star review.
6.
Oh my God.
Jason and I are sitting there chatting with Donna. Next thing we know, you're off in a golf cart, wandering all over the place with Dave.
It doesn't get any better than that.
Oh, yeah.
What a cool place to stay. Those guys are awesome hosts, and it's going to be hard to beat that one.
Yep.
Yeah, she knew so much history about the area, too.
And there's a tunnel that went quite a long ways, like from here to at least to our barn, if not farther, all underground. I've been in them. And then it pops up into a secret room that has no windows, a hatch in there, and it goes up to another room up above, and that's where he stored and hid all the alcohol. And he would have these secret poker parties in this room with no windows, so they couldn't see, and they'd be in there drinking and having a good old time in there. And then there's secret passages all through the mansion.
Yeah.
It's a really cool place.
Both of them do.
All the stories and movies, and
Oh, yeah.
Lewis Lamar books that you've read. You've heard about Indian Territory or the nations.
Right in the
You're
middle of
standing in it. When you went through Fort Smith, Arkansas, that was the boundary where the law had stopped. If criminals came over to Indian Territory, they couldn't go in and go get them. Bell Star always hid down by what they call Robbers Cave area.
Pretty impressive.
I can see coming back through here again.
Oh, yeah. So if you're on Bunk-a-Biker, look those up.
Yes, go to Bunk-a-Biker, and many thanks to Z Traveler, who's really raised the Bunk-a-Biker to a new level. Shout out to Z Traveler.
Hey, can y'all keep the dust down, please?
That's what the rain was for earlier. What are you talking about?
Yeah. Apparently it did not come through here. This freshly scraped road is no fun.
Yeah, it's got a couple little ridges here and there.
A little gravelly over here, over that little water.
Okay.
Especially right after it.
Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and hang in there. We're gonna blast through some fun stuff today and bring you some more crazy cool stuff.
Photos. Videos.
And cut.
Can you tell a difference in the setup with the tire that you're using?
I, honestly don't know what the difference is because I changed so much all at once. I am looking at a much lighter machine because I got rid of the hard luggage, and I'm using the new Nelson rig soft luggage, which is very impressive, by the way. We rode through a lot of dust and debris yesterday, and everything was perfectly clean on the inside. So that's factor one. Factor two is the new suspension. The Rally Rate tractive suspension has made a huge difference. I personally think that's probably the largest contributing factor. The third component that I've changed, of course, is the TKC 80 tires. So I used to use the Shinko 705s, and they're a really good multi-use tire, very affordable, and got great mileage out of them on the roads, on the pavement, and they did okay off-road. But as much of the tat that is now dirt, I'm finding the TKC 80 Continental tires grip it a lot better. So those are the three factors that I've changed that are making this bike totally feel different. Man, the road up ahead looks drier than this.
It does. Let's go down one more to the next one.
Yeah, I could do 50 on this. I'm recording you, Joe. Stay there. I'm recording you with the windmills behind you. I'm about 45 degrees off your right.
Left turn.
Hard left, yeah. That's what the map says anyway.
Yeah, if it had rained at all, this would be horrible.
I'm sure it did rain, just it's had enough time to dry since we've been.
To give the illusion of firmness. Of course, the cow patties don't hurt. Or help.
Here's some fun stuff. Am I going too slow?
No.
No. You go at the pace you feel comfortable with.
I think it's perfect.
Okay.
Whoa! Nice save.
Now, the only big change I have is I got rid of my top box and just moved stuff around. So I've lost the weight of it. That seems to have helped.
Cool.
Guys, this stuff up here is no fun. And you're getting ready to hit some, so caution. It's not bad if you in the undisturbed section.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, listen, I have heard this stuff will turn on you in a heartbeat. Like, you'll think you got it, I got it, and then all of a sudden you got nothing. So just be extra cautious.
That's my middle name. Extra.
Man, you are just throwing mud up everywhere, like large clumps of it coming out of your tire treads. Oh my gosh. In case you were wondering, Oklahoma does have some serious mud, and I picked up a beehive.
We treated ourselves to some fine dining.
Hey,
how was it?
The Veggie Delight was awesome.
Yeah, the green sign every time.
How now, brown cow?
Sounds like a bunch of bull to me.
Smells like it too.
You're milking the joke, dude.
I wouldn't have uttered a word.
Look, hey, if you keep it up, we're going to have a big old beef. I'll stake my life on it.
You guys are killing me.
How can I get brisket in there?
All I gotta say is, what time is it?
It's tack time!
We are back on the dirt, baby! Woohoo!
Yeah, and it's not nearly as slick as it was last time.
Correct.
But it's getting a little ruddy up here, so just watch that. Watch that line. Yeah, man. What was it? That was like skating on ice, wasn't it?
It was.
I liked your phrase earlier.
What was
Like riding on top of a
razor blade. Yep. You lean 1 degree to the left or 1 degree to the right. You fall right off. Well, we got a beautiful afternoon, so let's make the most of it.
Oh, this is great.
Yeah, man. I'll take this any day.
And twice on Sunday.
Woohoo!
But today's Monday? Today's Tuesday.
Oh, deep sand.
Yeah! Yo!
Whoa.
Gun it out.
I was too busy dodging to the left for fear that there may have been carnage.
It's pretty deep up here. Looks like somebody rode through here when it was wet.
Mama said what you wanna be when you grow up doesn't matter that much as long as you're tough.
All right, Chris, I'm rolling on Senna. Describe what we're... Oh, shit. Describe...
I saw that. I don't think you're going to describe it any better yourself.
Yeah, that's going to make the cut.
Oh, watch out up here. Man, don't get in a rut. If you get in one of these truck ruts, oh crap.
Just find a new spot.
Try to find a new spot.
Nope. There we go. This is challenging.
I still say we should have done the green.
You said the blue. Nice try. Gets deeper. Go slow. Oh man.
Y'all rolling?
Oh, I can't get my hands off the handlebars to hit a button. Time to assess the situation.
I was out there alone, moving from station to station. I've been searching for the right one, but I was ready for something more. My perfect love, you were out there going solo. You've been running with the wild ones, and you were ready for